understanding when you think about like shadow IT, shadow MLOps, shadow data ops or anything, when due to like inadequacies with some like your core competencies, like let's say, for instance, let's use data, like having a data pipeline. You have a team that does that, and then there's another team that needs something unique, or maybe they just aren't communicating with the team that does that well. They now do it all on their own. And so what happens is that there end up being some really huge gaps there because it becomes like it's not your core competency, A. B, you're probably not following any of our internal requirements. Hey, why is this an open API on the public internet? So anybody that works in this space knows, don't do that. Don't just have something open that touches your internal system because they're not thinking about those things, or even having certain levels of compliance and so forth. And then one of my big things, and I'm always a big fan of, like, people push a model into production and they call it production, but they don't have monitoring. They don't have a registered model registry. They don't have any of these other things that need to be there for it to be considered production because they've gone off into the sunset and they've done their own thing. And that's where that shadow stuff comes from.